We have a 4-probe setup with us, where we will be studying. The aim of the experiment is to identify the type of material by studying the temperature dependence of resistivity using the 4-probe method. So we have the kit here. Now, where's the material? The material is there inside this oven. So we have so so you can see the material and the 4 probes. So the 4 leads which should be placed inside the oven, where again we are going to maintain the material at different temperature. So here we switch on the setup, and this switch is for your oven. We'll switch it on, and we will keep the oven in the high mode and keep the multiplier scale into 1. And then first we will keep in the current meter mode using this toggle switch. I can shift from current meter mode to voltmeter mode. So now it is in the current meter mode. So I will set the current to 5 milliamps and keep it constant throughout the experiment. So as we can see, I will set this current to about 5 milliamps. So close to about 5 milliamps, I'll set this, and then change the range to voltmeter range using the goggle switch. So now your LED is on for voltmeter. Now anyway we have switched on the oven. So again we will note down for different temperatures. Starting from 90 degrees, every 5 degree fall in temperature, we will note down the respective the respective voltage. Anyway current is constant, set at 5 milliamps. So as the temperature varies, drops from 90 degree, for every 5 degree fall in temperature, we will note down your voltmeter. So if you look into your tabular column, again we have temperature. For different temperatures, we need to note down the voltage, then we will calculate the resistivity as given in your formula. So you allow the temperature to fall. So once it is 90, so we will just switch off the oven only. We have switched off the oven. Now we will allow the temperature to fall. So every 5 degree fall in temperature, we will note down the respective voltage. So we can see the voltage is decreasing as your temperature is also decreasing. So we'll just note down these readings for so as the temperature falls, we will note down the reading, the voltmeter reading, the respective voltmeter readings. So every 5 degree fall in temperature, we will note down the voltmeter reading. So initially we set the current to 5 milliamps, and then we will switch on the furnace. We will switch on the furnace, heat it. Once the temperature is above 90 degrees, switch off the furnace only, and for every 5 degree fall in temperature from 90 degree to 55 degrees, we will note down the voltmeter readings. And then you calculate your resistivity. Then you plot a graph of resistivity as a function of temperature. By identifying the trend of your graph, then you will identify what type of material, what type of specimen which is placed inside your woven.